Did Janhvi Kapoor's family get infected with the virus? As the whole nation is going through a lockdown, Bollywood celebrities are also staying at home. But looks like the deadly virus is not ready to leave the filmy fraternity so soon. Recently, a shocking report has come forward that is creating buzz in the B-town currently. As per the current reports, one member of Janhvi Kapoor's family got infected with the deadly virus. Let us find out in the video which member of the Kapoor family got infected with the virus. Well, Kanika Kapoor was one of the first celebrities who got infected with the virus. Later, Hrithik Roshan's family member Varun Dhawan's family also got infected with it. And now, looks like the virus has also entered the house of young Bollywood actress Janhvi Kapoor. Well-known Bollywood producer Janhvi's father recently revealed that one of their household staff got infected with the virus. In his statement, the producer has said that 23-year-old Charan Sahu, their household staff at his residence in Andheri, got infected. When the staff told the producer that he was not feeling well, Boney Kapoor immediately sent him for these tests. Unfortunately, his test results came as positive and the producer informed the society authorities. The society authorities informed the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation about the case and they are processing to get Charan Sahu into a quarantine center. The producer has revealed that none of them have left the house after the lockdown was announced. They are religiously following every rules and regulation and also thanked the Maharashtra government. He also added that his other household staffs are fine till now and they are showing no symptoms of the virus at all. The producer also revealed in his statement that both of his daughters Janhvi and Khushi are still asymptomatic. As they are now strictly ordered to stay at home quarantine, the producer is still worried for his daughters. The Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation is sanitizing the whole society Green Acres, Lokhandwala complex and also taking other preventive measures to disinfect the area. Boney Kapoor has said that they are hoping Charan, who got sick on 16th of May, will recover soon and will be back with them. After hearing this, Arjun Kapoor and Anshula Kapoor really got worried about their father and sisters Janhvi and Khushi. But because of the lockdown, Arjun and Anshula are not able to visit them in this tough time. They are keeping contact over phone. Recently, the office of music label and film producing company T-Series got sold by Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation. The BMC sealed the office because one of the caretakers got infected with the virus. On the professional front, Janhvi Kapoor's upcoming movie is a biopic about an Indian Air Force woman fighter pilot Gunjan Saxena. The movie was supposed to release on 24th of April but it got delayed due to the nationwide lockdown. The makers of the movie have decided to release it on OTT platform Netflix soon. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.